So that's the draw, which takes up, you know, not a lot of, it doesn't use a lot of space, but then there's this, and it could be much bigger storage space without the draw. So we'll see. I might just take the face off and glue it on that board. We shall see. So we cut the board out for the missing end cap of bench. And I'm just trying to decide if I want to keep the draw or just glue the draw face to this panel, because underneath that seat, that side of the seat, is a little hatch that flips up that you can get all kinds of stuff stored in there, and the draw is just actually limiting the amount of storage and space. So I'm thinking about it. We'll see. I'm not going to cut the hole out yet. All right, talk to you soon. Bye. So, what do you think, folks? Should I put the draw back in or just leave it empty like that, you know, blank, and be able to use the access underneath there, underneath the cushion? Where my hand is, there we go. Sorry. What do you think? So that's kind of what it would look like. Of course, painted. Okay, so I painted the panel. It's going to go down here. I did decide not to put the draw in, or drawer. I'm from upstate New York. We say draw. Well, New Yorkers say draw. Anyway, so I decided to not put the drawer back in because not only is there a hatch for storage from above, and that would give me even more space underneath the bench, there's also an issue with the let me show you, with the track. I know you can't see it too well. Maybe if I get down there further, it'll adjust. The track there, that part is great, but the part that is the guide for the drawer is broken. That's supposed to be down and not attached, but come in so that it stays in the track. So it just wobbles all around this drawer. So this drawer is done. I'm just gonna leave this base plain and use the access panel under there that has, you know, I'm gonna use that. So when this dries tomorrow, I will put the accent pieces back on and nail it in with little brads. The painting is now completed. It's time to put the trim pieces on and then attach it to the side of the bench, which is what I'm gonna do now. Be right back. And there she is, all complete and finished. Nailed in, ready to rock and roll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.